Peace doesn't mean having no problems. It means returning to yourself, even when life is messy. These affirmations are here to help you soften to pause and to breathe into a calmer way of being, so you can choose peace within. I will read each affirmation once. Feel free to repeat after me, or simply listen and let the words settle in. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. And exhale slowly. Let's begin. I welcome peace into my body and mind. I give myself permission to slow down. I am grounded in this moment. My breath brings calm to my nervous system. I don't need to react to everything. I release what I cannot control. I trust the stillness inside me. It's safe to rest. I create space for quiet in my day. I am allowed to pause and reset. I carry calm within me. My inner peace is more powerful than outside noise. I protect my peace with clear boundaries. I am not my thoughts. I am the awareness beneath them. I breathe in peace and exhale tension. I deserve to feel calm and at ease. I am learning to soften instead of struggle. I don't need to fix everything right now. I am allowed to do less and still be enough. I listen to what my body needs. I bring my attention back to the present. I trust the pace of my healing. I am becoming more comfortable with silence. Peace begins with permission. I let go of pressure to be productive all the time. I honor the quiet moments that restore me. I create rhythms that support calm. I let go of urgency and choose patience. My worth is not measured by how busy I am. I choose peace over proving. I allow peace to lead me. I respond to life with clarity, not chaos. My inner world is a safe place to land. I am present. I am grounded. I am calm. Stillness is where I find my strength. I trust myself to return to peace again and again. I release the need to always be doing. I find ease in simply being. I give myself time to recharge. I am enough, even when I'm still. Calm is a choice I can always come back to. I am centered even in uncertainty. I let go of tension with every breath. My peace is not dependent on perfection. I move through my day with gentle awareness. I choose calm, even in the face of chaos. I let peace guide my thoughts and actions. I am gentle with myself in moments of stress. Each breath brings me back to center. I trust the quiet unfolding of my day. I allow stillness to reset my mind. There is nothing I need to rush. I find beauty in slowness. Peace is my natural state. Even in discomfort, I can return to calm. I choose patience over pressure. I create moments of peace throughout my day. I am held by the present moment. Silence is not empty. It's full of wisdom. I am safe to simply be. Take a moment to feel the stillness settling inside you. Even one breath of calm can shift your entire day. Each time you return to peace, you're reminding your nervous system that you are safe. Thank you for choosing yourself today. Thank you for being here with me at Happily. Repeat this session every day for 21 days and gently watch your inner world transform. Let this be your gentle beginning. You can always return to this space whenever you need.